welcome back to my channel. It's Miss Candy. If you're new here, thank you for watching my video. Please consider subscribing to the channel. I would love to have you a part of the channel. Also, hit the post notification bell. That way you are notified every time I drop a video. For the current subscribers, welcome back. So today we are making peach cobbler. So I'm going to tell you the things that I'll be using in this video. So I'll be using, this is some ground cinnamon. I have some brown sugar that I'll be using that I haven't measured yet. I also have some white sugar. Hold on, I didn't get my vanilla extract out yet. I'll be using some vanilla extract. I also have some lemon juice that I'll be adding to some cornstarch. I've already added cornstarch to this container. I'm not going to add nutmeg because I've never added nutmeg to my cobbler, but I did see some people were doing that, but I'm not doing that. And then I have like 3 cans of peaches. So I'm going to go ahead and pop the top. So let's see. Hopefully everyone is doing good today. Now I will be using all of the syrup that's actually in the can, just so you know. I'm like, should I be using all 3 cans? I don't know. I don't know if I should. But we about to try it. We about to try it. Okay. So I'm probably just gonna add like maybe like a half a cup of sugar that I'm gonna add of white sugar, and then I'm gonna add some brown sugar. I know when I open up this brown sugar, just because it's not like a Ziploc or something, and even my white sugar, I always add it to like a Ziploc bag. Just to try to, you know, save the freshness of it. Today is Friday. This will most likely be uploaded on Saturday. Don't know how many people watch videos on Saturday, but it's okay. Okay, so I'm gonna set this to the side in case I need it later. And then I'm just gonna add a drop, not a lot. And then I'm gonna eye this cinnamon. You can just use this as at your discretion. Depending on how much cinnamon you like. I also, when I do like my mixture for the cobbler, I usually sprinkle it on top as well. So let me try to get something to try to mix this up, and then I'm going to So it'll finish getting like thoroughly mixed up once I heat it up. I am gonna put it on the stove. So once I melt the butter, so I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. So while this butter is melting, I'm just gonna go ahead and pour in these peaches. So I'm just gonna pour these and then I have already mixed up this cornstarch that I'm gonna add to it. I added some lemon juice to it. So I'm just gonna pour that in just to kind of help thicken it up and let everything get all let the gravy or the sauce or whatever you like to prefer it as, let it get to how it needs to get. And I might go ahead and just add this extra brown sugar to the top. Since I already had it, might as well go ahead and use it. You feel me? Okay. Okay. So that butter is getting good and melted. I did use 3 teaspoons of cornstarch just to try to help with this. But once it gets thickens up, I will be back. I'll be back, y'all. Okay, guys, as you can see, it has thickened up. Really, really saucy. So this is gonna be good, y'all. This is gonna be good, y'all. I went and bought some vanilla ice cream yesterday. So, once this is done and it cools down a bit, I will do a taste test. But let me try to, I'm gonna put this in my my real pretty pie plate. So give me just a second. I've already mixed up. Now I know some people that I've been seeing, they use like a pie plate and stuff like, I'm not a pie plate, but pie crust and stuff like that. I personally don't use a pie plate or a pie crust. I use like a flour mixture to do it. So so I'm about to do this. I will put a little, let me see, so y'all can see. I'm going to put a little bit of this mixture at the bottom. Just a little bit to cover the bottom. Right. For that, I used like 1.5 cup of flour, 1.5 cups of milk, and then I used a cup of sugar, and then I'm gonna sprinkle cinnamon on top, just so you know. So now I'm gonna pour this on top. Ooh, Lord. Goodness gracious alive. I might have needed a bigger dish, y'all. But, I might have. Maybe, you know what? Let me go get a different dish. I'll be right back. Okay, guys, I'm back. I'm sorry. So I had to transfer to another plate. I know. So this is a different plate. So we're gonna see how this comes out. It should still come out pretty good. I did actually put a flour mixture on the bottom, so it should still have a bottom crust. And then the flour mixture that was on the bottom obviously is on the top. So yeah, so we should see how this comes out. I'm going to bake it on 375, starting it out at for 45 minutes. And then I will check it to see if it needs any additional time. So I'll be back with the finishing product. I'll be back soon. Okay. Hey guys, so I just wanted to come back on here so you can see the finishing touches. So you can see what it looked like. I am going to set up my phone. I'm gonna take a taste on camera. So I'll be right back. I'm just gonna warm up a piece with some ice cream and I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. So I went to go get me a little bit of ice cream to taste this on camera for you guys. What is Cobbler without a little bit of warm Cobbler? I just made it back in the house, so I was looking forward to this all day. And let me tell you, it is so good, you guys. I know, I can't even talk, y'all. I can't even talk. Let me show y'all. So good. Okay. I'm trying to get, okay. But yeah. Okay, there is a piece of crust. So I know a lot of people, I notice that they don't make their crust, that they buy pie crust sheets. I've just always made it with flour, milk, and sugar. Which kind of comes out like a dumpling. Instead of buying like pie crust sheets. I mean, that's just me though. Anyway, I hope everyone enjoys the video. If so, leave your girl a comment, leave me a like, subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and until the next video, I will talk to you guys later. Bye guys.